Yeah, mighty new weapon. Firefighters hoping this will make a big difference in firefighting efforts here in Southern California. They are dubbing this the biggest helitanker in the world, and they've given it a very unique name. Are you ready for it? They're calling it the Very Large Helitanker, something easy for people like me to remember. Here's an example of what it can do. Now, to give you an idea of how much water this helitanker can drop at one time, we're going to put a picture of another helicopter on the screen for you. This is one of the workhorse helicopters of the OCFA. You see it on your screen, or you should be seeing it momentarily. That helicopter can drop about 350 gallons of water on a fire at a time. This very large helitanker can drop about 3,000 gallons of water on a fire at one time. It's more comparable to one of those fixed-wing 737 tankers we've seen fighting fires, and if you're going to make that comparison, the helicopter version does have an advantage.
We've all seen the large airplanes that drop the pink retardant in advance of the fire, again to retard that fire. We've never had the ability to drop retardant at night because we don't fly the large or any airplanes generally at night. The ability to use helicopters like the one behind me to drop retardant and to put retardant line in at night is a capability that has not existed until today.
Now, the helitanker will be based here at the Joint Forces Training Base in Los Alamitos. It is being funded for 83 days, 24 hours a day by SoCal Edison, and it won't just be Orange County that will get to use it. Other counties, LA County, Ventura County, San Bernardino, Riverside, they will all be able to use it, and the chief of Orange County Fire Authority hinted that tomorrow being its first day, it may be sent up to LA County to help out on the Bobcat fire. For now, reporting live in Los Alamitos, I'm Chip Yost, KTLA 5 News.